Hawkbird. What I did was that white plate right there, there's a Hawkbird in that white plate. I had a box of chicken livers that I had bought the other day, and there was only one or two left in the bottom of the bowls, bottom of the box. The box is laying right over there. But I took them and put them right over there on that plate, and that Hawkbird, he been down there eating them out of the plate. See if he flies off. Maybe I can walk around here. I'm gonna walk around here, look at you over here. That ain't yours, is it? Is that your plate? Is that your plate down there? Only about, I'm gonna say 5 or 6 feet from him. Is that your plate right there? You don't eat all that stuff out of that plate? I put that stuff in there just special for you. I did that special for you right there. I'm gonna get right here. I'm gonna squat down right here. I'm squatting down right here so I can look at you better right there now. What you doing turning around looking at me for like that? I can't see him in the camera hardly. Well, all the neighbors been cleaning the yard. It's been a beautiful day today. Real nice, beautiful day. What'd you get up there for? Why'd you get up there for? Hawkbird. What'd you get right there for, Hawkbird? What'd you get on the fence right there for? Wiping that beak off? What you thinking about, Hawk? You want me to go in and get you some gizzards? Them gizzards, they tough. Yeah, I was inside. I opened the door up and I seen a shadow fly across. A shadow fly across on the ground. And I thought about the hawk there, and I come outside and I seen this hawk over here on the fence. Okay, Hawkbird, I'm going back around there now. You want me to get you something other? I'll bring you something else out to eat. What I did earlier, I gave him breakfast this morning. He had 3 breakfasts. This right here was 4. This was number 4 breakfast. I took it and put this right here like this. I put it right there like that and had the chicken liver, gizzards and liver, something other on the end of it. Anyway, he just came by and got it a while ago. That's what he was eating. Stop this video.